In this video, I will show you how to create highlights on Instagram. So let's jump straight into it. So to do this, what you want to do is open up Instagram and come across to your profile page by pressing your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. From your profile page, what you want to do now is come up to the top right hand corner and press onto the three lines to come into settings and activity. On this page, what you need to do is come down to the how you use Instagram section and press onto archive. Once you're in your archive, what you need to do is come up to the top and you want to make sure this is selected to stories archive and then select the story that you want to create a highlight for. Now, once you do this, you're going to see at the bottom, we got this highlight button. So what we can do is give that a press, and what we can do is create our highlight. So I'm just going to go ahead and type something into here to create our highlight and then press the add button underneath. So as you can see, we've now got this pop-up saying highlights stay on your profile until you remove them. So what we can do is view this on our profile, just like so. As you can see, it's in our highlights reel just over here. And that is how to create highlights on Instagram. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.